Hey guys, welcome to my video. Right now I'm scrambling my Rubik's Cube. By the way, this video is about me solve my first solve. Actually, no, like my fourth solve. But hope you enjoy. Right now I'm scrambling the cube, so there's proof. Sometimes I just screw now I'm messing around. Actually, I sometimes get out of frame. The cube's out of frame, so sorry for that. And you might see later that I screwed it out, which is really annoying. And it's done. 2, 1, boom. Okay, now we're going to do the white cross right now. So how you get it is try to make the white edges to the yellow part, like as you see that right there. Then you match that color, like the one white and red, to the white and red to on top of the red center, and then do that to the others. Once you have that, just watch a video. I probably will just search how basically. And then now I got that. We are now doing the corners, as you can see, and then I'm doing my last corner. Oh no, I made a mistake, which was to fix it. And now we have the first layer. Sorry for the background. Music. You know what? I'm gonna put some right now. Actually, I already put it. Editor, take it away. As you can see, I'm putting the middle layer, which is by looking at the bottom and looking at an edge piece without the yellow. By the way, if you haven't, if you're not part of the family, then not family, like a what's it called, the team. Subscribe right now and slap the bell right next to it. So right now, I think I did the top. Oh, okay. I'm still working on the second layer. Let me continue about how I did how to do it. Find an edge piece without the yellow side, and then put the you know what? Screw it. I'm not gonna talk about it. Now I got finally the second layer. Yes. Okay. From that what's that called? From that milestone forward, in this video, it's gonna be tons of fails. Now I'm trying to do the. Oh yes. Now my goal was to get the yellow cross, and I actually did. Now I'm trying to get the yellow corners right now, and I think this is the time. I think no. By the way, I'm doing a voiceover right now, and I just screwed it out. Great job, guys. Give him a round of applause. Wow, I'm such a nub. Why did I screw it out of the way? Wait, what was I again? There. I actually did it. I swear I did it. I mean, no joke, I did. And now my goal is to get to align those corners correctly. As you can see, to make the corners like basically go to their original spot, like in the fixed state, in the solved state. So right now I'm trying to align the not align, but like to move it to the solved state, basically. Man, I'm losing words today. So right now, sometimes when I'm pausing, like, I'm thinking, like, and then I solved it. Yeah. And, yeah, guys. Peace.